Hi, this is Susan. I am going to be giving you 5 tutorials from YouTube on how to make shabby chic flowers. I made 4 of the tutorials from the videos, and I want to show them to you today. Now, the first flower that I made was from this Southern Girl can, and it was the Easy Rustic rolled flower. And this was really fun. Actually, this is kind of like my favorite flower to make. I just took long strips of satin from the wedding dress that I deconstructed last fall and just rolled it up. And I used the hot glue that just makes everything set so quickly. And then when it was all rolled up, I just glued it then to some of the appliques from the wedding dress. And then I also added some of the leftover pearls from the dress. I just love how these rolled ones turned out. And the second video is going to be a little shabby chic. And these are the Rosette flowers. Now, these were actually the circles that I was preparing, and you fold them into little pie shapes, and you just start from the outside and you work in. And I actually used 3 different types of organza and in 3 different colors because I just wanted to give it more interest and so on, and texture. And then what I did was I added some fibers to the top and a big gem. Then around the edge I just glued on some pieces of doily, and I just thought it made a fun doily flower, excuse me. Number 3 is a little shabby chic tutorial, and this is the loop flower. And so as you can see here, all these little tiny loops, and you cut them from a double fold piece of fabric, and I used the satin again. And when you flick around it like this, then it makes the loops fray, and that's part of the look of it. And then I just added some bling in the center, and then another lace around the edge for fun. The 4th tutorial is from Shabby Chic, and this is the no-sew flower tutorial. So what I did with this one was I found a piece of lace that was quite wide, folded it not quite in half, and then I ran a piece of wire through the edge and gathered it up. Then what I did was just glued on some sequins in the center and the gem bling. And then I also added an additional pieces of doily around the edge. I think it turned out so pretty. These shabby chic flowers are so fun to make. Once you get started making them, you just want to keep on and on. And I really hope that you'll enjoy these video tutorials and that you'll join in the event. And what I'm going to do from the number of entries, I'm going to use the random number picker, and I'm probably going to pick 2 numbers, and those 2 people will be receiving a couple of my flowers. I'll mail them out to you. Probably I might have to limit it to the US only because of the high postage cost these days, but I'll see how that goes. Anyway, I sure hope you enjoy the tutorials and you join the event. See you soon. Bye.